again. Today we are going to do some reading using a banana skin, and all the words that we're going to read have got either ch or j in them. So let's have a go. You say the sound when I point to it and then see if you can work out what the word is, and then we'll do each one together. So here's the first one. What's the word? Let's try it together and see if you're right. Fetch. If you go and fetch someone, something for someone, it means you go and get something for someone. Here's your next one. You try the sounds. What's the word? Let's try it together. Patch. Here's your next one. What's the word? Let's try it together. Edge. Here's your next one. Now you've got to be a little bit careful with this one. I'm going to press this one. What's the sound? Now think carefully about this one. What's the word? Okay, there's a little rhyme that you may not know that might help you with reading this word. Let me tell you the rhyme. After a w sound, A says O. So that one's trying to catch you out, so be careful. After a w sound, A says O. So let's do the sounds. W, O, ch. Watch. Here's your next one. What's the word? Let's try it together. Hedge. You might have a hedge in your garden around the outside. Here's your next one. What's the word? Try it with me. Witch. That's the sort of witch that you get in a story that might be wearing a big black hat on her head. Here's your next one. What's the word? Let's try it together. Itch. If you have an itch, you might need to scratch it. Here's your next one. What's the word? Let's try it together. Wedge. Sometimes people like to eat potato wedges for their tea. Here's your next one. What's the word? Let's try it together. Chicks hatch out of eggs. So, well done. That was lots of reading words with what sounds this? Ch. And what sounds this? J. If you found any of that a little bit tricky, then you might want to watch the video again and have another try another time. Enjoy!